Hi everyone, this is Riri Makeover and welcome to this channel. So stay tuned if you want to know how I create this look. Just stay with me. Let's create this look together on my beautiful model. So on this channel we do makeup, we do installation, we tie gele, anything that has to do with beauty, that's what we do. And please consider subscribing, join the family. Let's grow together, and make sure you share this video so that your friends and other people can also learn from this channel too. So I'm going to be drawing my brows, and I'm using the Carrot gel liner. This gel liner have been a lifesaver for like a lot of makeup artists. So and that is what I'm using right now on this video. And after using just the gel liner to just outline the brows, I'm going to be using my pencil to just build out those strokes. Yeah, I gradually build those strokes so to make it look much more natural, because that was actually the target, to get a natural brows. So for concealing, I'm using the V Beauty concealer to conceal the underbrow. So I'm going to be using one shade lighter than her skin tone to conceal the under eye, so that it will really pop. To conceal the underbrow, sorry, to really pop. So what we do is that immediately you conceal, you blend, because if you don't blend it on time, it's just going to dry off. Like I didn't blend it on time and it just dries off. So I'm going to be concealing the other side too, and I'm using the same concealer to conceal the other eye, so that my eyebrow will be looking popping and beautiful. So and after that, we still have to blend. Blending is the key. See, as a makeup artist, you need to learn how to blend. You need to be patient, and there are some concealer or foundation that dry very fast, that you don't have to leave it too long so it will dry off. So you need to understand that as you conceal, you blend, you conceal, you blend. So that is what we are practically just doing right now. And I'm using the Real Technique brush to just blend out those excess products so it will look more natural. And that's what we're doing right now. So I'm also going to be concealing the other side too. As you can see, I'm using a flat brush. Actually, I don't know the name of this brush because I just got it and I decided to try it out. And I was just using this brush for the first time on this video, and I love it. So after then, we are jumping into the eyeshadow. So make sure you blend out those excessive products, and when you are done, so everything will be looking professionally clean. So right now I used the Blossom Snow White eyeshadow primer to just prime the eye, so that my eyeshadow will really pop out. So now we are going into eyeshadow, and I'm taking my time to really build out those colors. So I didn't just go by applying a dark shade immediately, because sometimes if you apply a dark shade and you're trying to blend it, it doesn't blend easily. So what I do is I just go in with the lighter shade first, then I gradually build my colors up from the light brown to the deep brown. Now I'm adding of the black, but I'm not putting much of the black. I'm just putting a little bit of the black color beneath the brown, so it will be easy for me to blend it out if I want to blend it out. So that's what I'm practically doing right now. So I'm blending it out, and I'm using the yellow and orange eyeshadow. I mix those two colors together to blend in those eyeshadow, to blend in the upper corner, so it will be looking clean and professional. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just going to blend in those places perfectly. I do take my time when it comes to my eyeshadow, because it's one of my selling points. So I take my time to blend it very well. So right now I'm going to be applying some shimmer. Actually, I apply like 4 shades of shimmer on this eyeshadow. like 4 shades of shimmer. I know I used gold, I use light gold, I use the darker one, then I use a little bit of like baby pink, then I used the colors are just there, but I actually mixed the shimmers to give me this unique color. So because I actually do this so that people will not know the exact shade of the shimmer I use on the eyes. So that was why I always do that. So my eyeshadow will be looking unique. So I wasn't really satisfied with the way my eyeshadow was looking. I wasn't really too satisfied, so I have to really try to pop it out more, and that's why I have to apply more of that color that you're seeing there. That's what I'm doing. So I'm applying more of that color so my eyeshadow will be looking more popped out. Yeah, and that's just it. And that's just it for our eyeshadow. And after doing that, we'll just go in and continue to blend, blend, blend. So let's go straight to the foundation. So I'm also using the VBT foundation on this look today, and as you can see, her face is a shade darker than her neck. You can see her face and her neck is not the same color, so I have to use the foundation shade that goes with her neck, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm using my beauty blender to just blend in that product all over her face. And what we do is we dab in the product. We don't go and start rubbing it. No, we dab in the product so it will sit nicely. I'm really liking this foundation. It's so nice, like it's super nice. As you can see, the color is now the same. Her neck and her face is the same. So when you're trying to get your foundation shade, I will advise you get a foundation shade that goes with your neck, not with your face. This is what I tell everybody, all my clients. When I'm going to get foundation for you, we try and get what goes with your neck and your body, not just your face, because most times your face may be lighter than your whole body, and sometimes your face may be darker than your whole body. So when you're getting a foundation, please get a foundation that goes with your body, that goes with your neck, not just your face, so you'll not be looking like a clown walking on the street. You understand? So after then, I'm going to be applying my blush, and I mixed orange and pink color. I've never done this combination before, but I had to give it a try. Like I was like, it seems like this is going to look nice. Oh. So I decided to just mix those two together to give me that blush. And guys, I love how. Just stay tuned and see. So I'm really liking the way this whole blush thing is popping out. See, just keep watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You are going to be learning a lot from this channel. Makeup tips, any question you have, just ask me. I will answer. I will reply you ASAP. Yeah, so I'm using the Classic Cosmetic concealer. This concealer has been like one of the best concealer I've used. Classic Cosmetic concealer is so nice. It's so, like, it has this full coverage, especially when you leave it to get tacky for like few seconds before blending. It's really nice. And I'm just going to be blending out the concealer under her eye. I'm really going to take my time to blend in this concealer very well, because I want this look to be perfect. So when doing your makeup, yeah, please, I will say this again, take your time to blend in. Take your time to blend. See, if you don't blend your makeup well, it makes your makeup it makes your makeup breaks fast. It doesn't make your makeup last. So what I always advise you do is, please take your time to blend in your product. Take your time so that your makeup will last very well. So after that, I'm going to be using my powder to set in the under eyes first, to just pressing all these products together. And after doing that, I'm going to be applying powder all over the face as well, to just seal everything I've done so far, every single thing. So I'm going to be using powder to set in everything thing that I've done. You can see my model. My model is already tired. It's her first time actually wearing makeup, and it's actually very strange to her. So what I'm doing right now, I'm going to be setting up my contour. I set the contour and the blush, and then I'm going to apply some blush too to make my blush pop out. Man, I love my girl blush. Girl blush is really giving me that look I want. This girl blush is killing it. And then that's it. Okay guys, so let's apply some setting powder. So I'm going to be applying some setting powder, and I'm using Flawless setting powder to set the under eyes. Yeah, so I'm going to be using two shades. I'm going to be using the butter and the chai. I've forgotten the name. Don't worry, I'll put it on the description box for you to see. So I'm going to be setting the under eyes, and guys, I didn't know I didn't have much space, guys. That was so painful. Like, I didn't even, the worst part is I didn't know I wasn't recording, and my space was already full. I didn't know, and I was just doing makeup, and at the end of the day I discovered that it wasn't recording. So don't worry guys, I will do a lip tutorial. If you want to know how I achieve this lips, just put the comment down, and I will make sure I do a tutorial on how I achieve this lips. And now we're just going in with the lashes, and a lot of people use tweezers, use different things, but well, I use my hand though to apply my lashes, because that's what I find easy for me. That's what I find it's very easy for me to just use my hands and apply the lashes, and then we apply some mascara. But if you really want your lashes to last longer, then I will do some pressing down together. So right now let's apply some bronzer, and I'm using my beauty blender to just apply that glow all over her face. I don't want it to be looking like too powdery, so I actually use my wet beauty blender to apply the bronzer all over my model's face, so it will be looking more like skin, more like into the skin. And here is the finished look. Hope you guys like it, hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I love you so much. Bye bye, have a great day, darling.